Now we are going to learn an adverb. We use this adverb to express slightly or a little to modify stated verb. And this adverb is 有一点儿. And in Taiwan, we always omit a sound and we just pronounce 有一点, or we omit e. We can also speak 有点. So 有一点, 有点 means slightly or a little. Let's see this example. 天气有一点 or 有点冷 just a little cold. And this stated verb is 有一点饿有点饿我有点饿我有一点饿我们在这家咖啡厅喝咖啡吧。一杯咖啡180块钱，我觉得有点贵。我们去那家吧。In Chinese culture, when we talk to somebody and we just want to be softened or be polite, even though we think, oh, it's very expensive, but we want to express our polite, even though we think it is very, very expensive, but we still say 有点贵 to be polite. In Chinese culture. So here, 有点 it means a little or very. So 有点 perhaps a little, perhaps very. Which one? It depends on context. 我们今天晚上去看电影，好不好？今天我有点忙，我不想去。我们今天晚上去看电影，好不好？今天我有点忙，我不想去。这件衣服很漂亮，也很便宜，你不买吗？我很喜欢这件衣服，可是我觉得有点小。See you next time. Bye.